Okay, Loc Nation, so today I'm going to be showing you guys the lock styling technique. Very simple, very easy. We're basically going to be doing a flat plait, okay? This lock styling technique can be used in many ways. You can use it for a braid out. You can use it to do rolled plaits. You can use it for any style that requires plaiting. So to do a flat plait, you basically want to get you a section of hair that you're going to be working with. Get your sections separated, okay? Whatever sections you're going to be using to do your plait, 3 strands. Now, when you're doing a flat plait, you're going to be plaiting over, not under. This is what I mean when I say under. You go under, 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 under. Okay, of course you can plait like that if you like. You can plait like this if this is what you prefer. But if you want a flat plait, and this one is a little flat, but if you really want a flat plait, I'm going to show you how to achieve that. And to achieve that, you want to start your plait going over. And you actually want to take your time and make sure that your locks are kind of side by side and flat them out. So we're going to start going over. We're going over. And I'm going to go slow for you guys, okay? Make sure that those locks are flat side by side if you can. Then we're going to go across just like a plait. Alright. Making sure those locks are flat. Then we're going to come down. Doing the plait. Make sure those locks are flat just like so. Okay. Side by side locks, as you can see. We're coming down. Okay. And you want to try and keep your locks as flat as possible. Okay. We're going to continue going down. Very simple. Making sure those locks are flat. Okay. We're going to come down. Make sure those locks are flat. Because we're going for a flat plait. Come down just like so. And continue. So, just like so. Very neat, very simple. And once you come to the end of your plait, of course, you can close it off however you like. Secure that with a rubber band. That is the flat plait. As you can see, looks just like a plait. Now for the moment of truth, look how flat that plait is. Very sleek, very flat, okay? And that just looks cute, all right? And you can use this with the rolled plait. You know, you just roll it up just like so. Actually works. So that's how you achieve a flat plait, okay? Very simple.